Hello everyone, welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. In this video, we solve for the value of x, given that 25 raised to the power of 2x is equal to 50. Now let's dive into it. We have that 25 raised to the power of 2x is equal to 50. Now the first thing we do is to take the log of both sides. So we have that this is log 25 raised to the power of 2x is equal to log 50. Now, note that log a to base 10 can also be expressed as log a. So therefore, on that note, recall that if I have log m raised to the power of p or in base a, this can also be expressed as p multiplied by log m in base a. So we can apply that knowledge here. So this becomes 2x multiplied by log 25 in base 10 equal to log 50 in base 10. So if we divide both sides of the equation by log 25, so we have that log 25 cancel out log 25, so we have 2x at the left hand side equal to log 50 or in base 10 divided by log 25 in base 10. So we have that 2x equal to, the right hand side can be expressed as log 2 times 25 enclosed in a bracket or divided by log 25. Now they are all in base 10 or in base 10. Now the right hand side can be expressed further as we have 2x equal to log 2 to base 10 plus log 25 to base 10 or divided by log 25 to base 10. So we have it that this is 2x equal to log 2 to base 10 divided by log 25 to base 10 plus log 25 to base 10 divided by log 25 to base 10. So this cancels out this. The equation now reduces to 2x equal to 1 plus log 2 to base 10 divided by log 25 to base 10. Now we can have that this becomes 2x is equal to 1 plus log 2 to base 25 from the knowledge of change of base. So having done that, we will not divide the equation by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So 2 cancel out 2 here. We'll be left with x equal to 1 plus log 2 to base 25 all divided by 2. Now this is our value of x. Now let's check if our solution is correct. We are given that 25 raised to the power of 2x is equal to 50. Now at this point, the value of x is 1 plus log 2 to base 25 divided by 2. So we have that this becomes 25 raised to the power of 2, and our value of x is 1 plus log 2 to base 25 all divided by 2 equal to 50. Now at this point, these two can cancel out. So we have that this becomes 25 raised to the power of 1 plus log 2 to base 25 equal to 50. Now from the laws of indices, the left hand side can be expressed as 25 raised to the power of 1 times 25 log 2 to base 25. Everything is equal to 50. But note that if I have a raised to the power of log b to base a, this is also equal to a. So if we apply this in this expression here, we have that this becomes 25 multiplied by 2 equal to 50. So therefore, 25 times 2 is 50. So our solution is correct. First, x is equal to 1 plus log 2 to base 25 all divided by 2. Thank you so much for watching. If you know you found the video helpful, please do not forget to like this video. And we post videos like this every week. Subscribe to our channel and you will be the first to be notified. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.